Hello YouTube! Welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscription base, so it'll be much appreciated. Anyone who hasn't been following my channel, everyone that has been knows that my transmission is out in about 1,000,000 pieces. And I went ahead, ordered a rebuild kit. I'll reveal who I ordered it from and an unboxing when I get it, along with the torque converter from the same supplier. But while I'm waiting, I did something I've been wanting to do for years, and that is tear out the engine wiring harness. This is about a 4-hour job, taking your time and being methodological about it. The reason I did it is because a lot of the sheathing is literally falling apart, you know, the protective covering, and you know, after 219,000 miles and 30 years, it could definitely need some work. I pretty much rebuilt everything on the car. Might as well do this. Over the years, I've went ahead and replaced all the pigtails up top that go to like the fuel injectors and the sensors. Those I've replaced with new ones. But you can see where it was actually on the back of the block. I don't know if you can see it in this video or not. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can see where it rubbed down right to bare wire on at least 3 wires. So I'm glad I did this before it shorted out and ended up one of those C4 Corvettes you see burnt up on the side of the road. Another thing is the tack filter, the wire came apart on that when I was removing it, and I don't know if you can see, but this tack filter, you know, looks like it's about ready to burn up or explode or something. And then like here, if you look here, you can see these ground wires that go to the block. They're in pretty bad shape. So taking care of them is definitely good preventive maintenance on an old 30-year-old car that has as many miles as mine does. Should be interesting to see what I find when I get it all apart and get all new wrap around it. I'll put some heat wrap on the section that runs behind the firewall, and like here, these pigtails I'm going to have to replace. This is the sensor that goes to the VSS, that's for your speedometer, and this is the connector that goes to the torque converter, lockup, TCC. You see this wire is all no protective covering over those wires, so I'll definitely be putting new connectors on these, and anyone else that I think needs. So definitely the battery cable I should give a good working over. That has seen its better days. That's where it connects to the starter right there, and I'm surprised it didn't short out on the starter or anything. So that's where things are right on this. Another project, keep me busy during the winter when I can't drive the vet, or shouldn't drive the vet, let's put it that way. Also in the process, somehow I broke off the end of my oil pressure sensor, so unfortunately that's more money I gotta spend, but these wires are in pretty bad shape too, so I'll go ahead and take care of that too. Everybody have a happy day, and God bless.